Welcome to Help for Good Learning. I'm Ashish Gadpale, your C++ trainer, and today we are going to discuss about how to develop a mini project in C and C++. So in C and C++, we are going to develop a project that is Police FIR and Crime Management System. In Police FIR and Crime Management System, there will be two modules. First one is Police Employment Detail and second one is FIR System. In Police Employment Detail, we will have an option like add a new police information detail, update police information detail, view police information detail, delete police information detail, and we will have an option to go back on main menu. In FIR system model, we will have three options: add FIR report, view FIR report, and go back on main menu. Let's first discuss about the source code. So in our source code, you can see we have a mention that is project made by Ashish Gadpale. Here you can use your name and the project on Police FIR and Crime Management System. Here you can mention your college name and your mail ID. We will have a header files like iostream.h, conio.h, dos.h, str.h, iomanip.h, string.h, stdlib.h, and math.h. And we are using here graphics library, that is graphics.h. Here we have a class name that is crime. In this project, we are using number of variables, number of arrays. As per your requirement, you can change array names and variables. We are having functions like add a new, show, update, delete, show one, login, menu, draw circle, information, FIR, and to generate vertical line. So we will have a number of options. So here you can change function name as per your requirement. We are creating two objects, that is object array. First object is B of 10, second object is D of 10. This object will be used to store information. Here we are using vline function. Vline function is used to draw a vertical line. Now we have a function FIR. FIR function will accept the details like date, FIR number, name of police station, distance from police station, address, name of informant, father name, date of birth, nationality, ID proof, ID number, occupation detail, address detail, date of known, then action and section details like whatever sections we are using here. Then we are accepting these details into array. And next function we are using to accept police information details. So we are generating a form that is add new, and add new function will be accept the police information details. The police information detail will be like police employee ID, police name, police date of birth, police current address, police permanent address, date of joining, department name, and type of post. And all those details we are storing into object array. Then if you want to show that police information details, so we have a show function. So in show function, we are using a cout object, and we are asking that enter EMP ID to match that information detail into object array. So once information detail will be searched, then we will show that all those details. Now, if you want to update employee details, so we have an update function. So we will ask that enter employee ID, and when employee ID will be entered, so we will match here using strcmp function that ID is present or not. If that ID is present, then we will show that information detail, whatever details are stored in object array. And we have an option that is old ID. So we have to enter that is old ID, and if old ID is matched, then we will ask to enter new ID, and then new ID will be updated into that object array. Suppose that ID is not matched, so then we will have an option that is please select correct option. Next, a message will be displayed that is record is updated. Now, if you want to delete employee details record, so we have a delete function. In delete function, we will ask that enter employee ID. Once employee ID will be entered, we will match this detail in our databases. So as a databases, we are using that object arrays. So object array, if ID is matched in object array, then we will delete that object array detail. Now we will provide a message that is record is deleted. Next, we have a function that is show one function. This function will be show that is FIR details, like FIR details if already entered. So we will ask that enter FIR ID, and then FIR ID, if will that FIR ID will be matched, then that FIR information will be shown. Now, if you want to rotate a circle, so here I use a graphics concept, that is a circle. So here, if you want to rotate a circle, so this is the code I have given for the circle. For menu options, so we have a menu function. Here we are creating a number of menu. Like whenever we are running this program, so we are having an option that is select any menu. Then we are having a three option. That is, first one is police employment details. Second one is FIR system. Third one is exit. So if we are selecting one, that is police employment detail, so that we will have another option, that is add new, view, update, delete, and go back function. Okay. So like if user select one option, so then case one will be selected. If user select two option, then case two will be selected. According to the selection, we will call that function respectively here. That add new function, we are calling add new function. In update, we are using update function. In case 3, we are using show function. Then in fourth option, we are using delete function. In fifth option, we are sending it to go back to main menu. And suppose this selection is not passed, then we are providing the message that is, sorry, your selection is wrong. Please select correct option. Next, we have, if user is selecting option 2, that is FIR detail, so we will have an option that is add report and view report, and third one is go back. According to it, we will have to call the functions, that is add report and view report. Then the last, we are having information like thanks, project made by Ashish. So here you can edit accordingly. Then if that selection is not matched, so we can provide a message that is, sorry, your selection is wrong. Please select correct option. Here we have a function that is info, and this info function will let you know that information about the project maker, and we will call this function at the last of the program. So like here we have a function info. In info, we are using the graphics functions. So this project is made by Ashish Gadpale, MCA, and Help for Code Learning, Nagpur. So here, this information you can edit accordingly. Then we have a login function. Login function will be able to check your password is correct or not. So I have already entered a password Ashish. Here you can replace by your name. So whenever user will enter any function, so that function will be that whenever user is entering any password, so that password will be matched to whatever stored in C of 7. If password is not matched, so then we will have an option that is, sorry, wrong password. Then we have a welcome message, that is, welcome to my project. Welcome, that is police FIR and crime management system. Now we have a main function. We are using this graphics library, and we are creating object of crime, and according to that object modules, we have already created a functions. That function we have to call respectively here. Now let me run this code so that we can analyze how it works. So code is in bin library. Here I am using Turbo compiler. You can use other compiler as well if you are not using graphic library. Now let me run this code. So it will show welcome to my project police FIR and crime management system. Here I use that B-link keyword. So that B-link keyword will be used for blink. Now this project is made by Ashish Gadpale, MCA, Help for Code Learning. This information you can modify. Enter password. If I enter any password, so that password will be shown, sorry, wrong password. So I have to enter the correct password. The correct password will be the Ashish. So here we are just generating a graphics. You can eliminate this one also. That is the circle function. Now select any one option. So like I am selecting one option, that is police employment detail. So here we have an option that is add new, view, update, delete and go back. Here I have used switch case. So like I am using one add new function. So like I am adding information, that is police employment ID is 4. Like you can enter any information detail. Now suppose I want to see that information. So we have a third option, that is view. It will ask employee ID. Now employee ID was 4, so it will display all the information detail. Similarly, you can update the details. Similarly, you can delete that detail. Suppose I want to delete that detail, so it will ask that employee ID. Now the record will be deleted. Now fifth option is go back to main menu. There will be second option, that is FIR system. In FIR system there will be the option that is add report and view report. Suppose I want to add report, so it will be asked for date. You can enter your date, FIR number, that is FIR number is 11. Here you can enter the information, whatever information we have given. So whatever information we have given, that information if you want to show, so we have option that is view report. Second option, so FIR ID will be 11, so that information will be shown. Now go back to main menu. Now exit third, and there will be the message that thanks, project made by Ashish. Here you can modify your information. Thanks for watching Help for Code Learning. Follow us on social media.